Okay, that was random, because today I'm back to my chipmunk voice. Hi, everybody! Hi, Dr. Nick! But I need tacos. I need them all to explode. That happens to me sometimes. You know you love me. Just put them on this face. Hey, I'm all the way back here. Now I'm right here. So spontaneous today, guys. Okay, here's the big deal. I'm happy. For once in my life, I'm no longer... Yep. And I'll prove it to you. Yellow. That should prove enough to you. Ah, it's all in my face. That's okay. I feel totally random and hyper today. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Hello, sunshine. The earth says hello. My mommy loves me. Whoa, my floor sure is messy. I'll bite you. I hope you've been noticing that the camera is moving around a whole lot. And, yeah, that's probably because I have it on face tracking. So wherever I go, it will follow my face. See, it's moving. See, wait, right here. If I move back, it'll zoom in. And if I move forward, it'll zoom out. Whoosh. Do you want to see it? See? Vincent says hello. Vincent, you smell weird. Ugh. What? Who wants to see me electrocute myself? See? No, no, no. That really hurt. Wow, this is a really random video. The question is, why are you still watching it? If you're still watching this, you're now officially stupid.